Hey, beautiful souls! Today's video is an absolute game changer, and if you've been yearning to connect with the divine, talk to God, and unlock the miracles you've always dreamt of, then you're in the right place. This isn't some run-of-the-mill wishy-washy theory. No. We're delving into a daily ritual, a powerhouse move that kicks off each morning with you deliberately shaping your day. So buckle up, because what I'm about to share isn't just a concept. It's a tangible, transformative technique that's going to revolutionize the way you approach life. But hey, before we dive into the profound revelations ahead, do me a solid favor. Smash that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single nugget of wisdom that's coming your way. Now let's dive deep into today's instructions, and I need you to be all ears, because what's about to unfold has the potential to reshape the very fabric of your reality. What are you living today? Is it a reflection of echoes from yesterday, carrying with it the thoughts, feelings, and actions from your past? If you've been yearning for something different today, something extraordinary, then listen up, because the key to that change lies within you. It's time to ditch the victim card. You are not a mere puppet in someone else's show. This is your life, and with it comes a profound responsibility. The responsibility to shape your own reality. You see, there's a cunning mechanism at play in our world. The key to controlling a community lies in convincing its members that it's not their fault, not their responsibility. But here's the catch. In relinquishing their responsibility, they unknowingly surrender their personal power, the power to shape their own reality. Today, my friend, we are breaking free from that narrative. Today, we're taking charge of our lives and reclaiming our creative power. Sure, it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially for those who haven't tapped into this potential before. The fear might kick in, nudging them back into the victim role, blaming others for their joy or struggles. But guess what? The truth is, you are the one and only captain of your ship. Every twist and turn in your life is a result of your conscious or unconscious choices. To steer your life in the right direction, you've got to embrace 100% responsibility. Now, let's venture into something extraordinary. How to have a genuine conversation with God, the universe, or any energy that resonates with you, and ask for a miracle. Remember what Jesus of Nazareth once said, "You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." Until you grasp the truth, you're not truly free. You're stuck in the victim role, relying on others, even at the soul level, to rescue you. So how do you talk to God and ask for a miracle? It starts with belief backed by evidence and synchronicities. Your faith isn't about religion. It's about belief. Faith is the assurance of things hoped for and the conviction of things not seen. According to your faith, it will be done to you, not according to your religion. Let me share a story from when Jesus walked among the crowd. A woman with sick children touched his cloak, and Jesus said to her, "Your faith has saved you." It's crucial to understand this. Every little child knows the great truth that we are creators like gods. Once a belief finds a home in your mind, it grows stronger, becoming a force that influences your external world. Convictions shape our reality. They can be so entrenched that they cloud judgment and make us defensive. The key is recognizing that convictions can change. It often takes hitting rock bottom, but it's possible. I've got a list of miracles intentionally brought into my life, from tiny parking spots to a hopping $10,000 in prizes. Now, let's connect this with talking to God and manifesting miracles. Imagine waking up each morning excited and intentional about creating a day that's nothing short of marvelous. Manifest your desires with the principles of the law of attraction, faith, and conviction. Start with prayer states, declare your intentions, and approach your day with the expectation that something wonderful is about to unfold. Shift away from seeking miracles externally and embrace the inner God within you. You are the architect of your reality, creating within, just like in Genesis. Visualize and connect your mental image to the emotions of living that reality. Hold on to that vision consistently over time, trusting that you are literally creating your reality. No more delay. Let's unleash your inner creator God. It's not about asking an external God. It's right there within you. Own that creative power. As we wrap up this transformative journey together, remember this. You hold the power to shape your reality, to talk to the divine, and to manifest miracles. Embrace the responsibility that comes with your life, for you are the captain of your own ship. Convictions may shape your reality, but you have the ability to change them. It's time to let go of the victim role and reclaim your creative power. Believe, manifest, and live intentionally. Shift your focus from seeking miracles externally to embracing the inner God within you. You are the architect of your reality, and your visions have the potential to become your reality. Before we part ways, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts, experiences, and any miracles you've manifested in your life. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Together, let's continue this journey of empowerment and intentional living. Thank you for joining me on this quest to unleash your inner creator. Remember, you are capable of extraordinary things. Until next time, stay empowered, stay intentional, and keep shaping your reality. Take care, and may your days be filled with miracles and divine connections.